Hello everyone! Today we are going to talk about water and air. Taking care of water and the air. Will you try to read these sentences with me? We need water. Have showers, not baths, to save water. Throw rubbish in the bin to keep water clean. So what does that mean? Let's look at the pictures. What is this boy doing? He's having a shower. What is this boy doing? He's having a bath. It's better to take a shower because a shower uses less water. That's why we don't want to take a bath. Now, what is this girl doing? She's throwing her rubbish in the bin. What is this boy doing? He's throwing his rubbish where? That's right, in the river. We don't want rubbish in the river. That's why you have to be good like this girl and throw your rubbish in the bin. How else can we take care of water and air? Let's read. Will you read with me? Prevent air pollution to keep the air clean. Trees help to keep the air clean. What is pollution? Pollution is the smoke and gas that comes from factories and cars and makes the air all foggy. We don't want smoke and gas in the air. So factories and cars are bad for the air. But trees help to keep the air clean. So planting trees is good for the air. Also, walking and riding your bike is a good way to use transportation so that you don't use a car. Let's look at some good ways and bad ways to take care of water and air. Taking good care of water and air is a correct action. Taking bad care of water and air is a wrong action. Let's look at some actions and see if you can tell me if they are correct actions or wrong actions. What's this boy doing? He's having a shower. Is that a correct action or a wrong action? Let's take a look. It's a correct action. Having a shower saves water. Let's look at the next one. What is this boy doing? He's throwing his rubbish on the ground. Is that a correct action or a wrong action? Let's see. Did you get it right? It's a wrong action. Don't throw rubbish on the ground. Where should you throw rubbish? What is this boy doing? He's throwing his rubbish in the bin. Is that a correct action or a wrong action? Let's see. It's a correct action. You should always throw your rubbish in the bin. What is this family doing? They're driving in a car. Is this a correct action or a wrong action? Let's see. It's a wrong action. This car is emitting a lot of smoke and gas. It's okay to drive your car sometimes, but with all this smoke and gas, it's bad for the air. It's better to walk, ride your bike, or use the metro or the bus. Let's take a look at one more. What is this boy doing? He's riding a bike. Is this a correct action or a wrong action? Let's take a look. It's a correct action. It's best to ride your bike if you can, because if you drive in a car, like we saw before, the smoke and gas is bad for the air. When you ride a bike, there's no smoke and gas, so it's good for the air. Riding a bike is good for the environment. Now you know how to take care of water and the air, so let's all take care of the environment and remember to stay healthy and happy.